Many people, in an effort to incorporate fitness into their lives, show up at the gym after a long, tiring 8 to 10-hour workday. Exhausted even before their workout begins, they eventually find this unsustainable and drop out, quoting reasons like, "I just don't have the time or the energy to do this." So, does that mean it's absolutely impossible to fit in a workout session in your busy corporate calendar? Not at all. But before we show you how you can, let's just take a look at what it is that's tiring you out in the first place. Think about it. You probably have a job that involves hours and hours of sitting. So why is it that you're so physically exhausted? Take a look around your office on any given day and you will see the culprits responsible for your exhaustion. Bad posture, dehydration, improper breathing, and not enough nutrition. A long, hard day at work for most of us includes hours of sitting hunched over laptops. At an office desk with your butt planted in a chair, continuous bouts of sitting shortens the hip flexor muscles, and this pulls your spine out of alignment and leads to every midlife problem from backache to diabetes. And the hunching, aside from giving you a terrible crick in the neck, also limits your breathing. There's simply no space for deep breathing in this posture. So stop sitting around all day. Think of sitting as the new smoking. Quit it. Make sure you get up, walk around and move your body every hour. So instead of dialing the next desk, walk over to talk to your colleague. Better still, get an application like Argus on your phone. It comes with an alarm that notifies you if you have been sitting for too long. Even better, get a standing workstation. And stop drinking those endless cups of coffee and tea. It only dehydrates you, and those extra doses of sugar, they're counterproductive. Drink water instead, and in plenty. Be smart about your nutrition. After all, it is the fuel for your body and for your workouts. Avoid eating heavy meals. Try and go in for a light snack every 3 hours so you don't crash at the end of the day. And practice deep breathing till it becomes a habit. Once you've incorporated these quick tips into your daily routine, you'll find that you can get through a long, hard day at work and still have the energy for a good workout. And once your energy levels are way up there, then it's just a question of time management, the when and where of your workout. Here are a few suggestions. Try to work out first thing in the morning before office hours. Eat a fruit for energy and hit the gym for a quick 30 minutes power-packed workout. In a week, you can alternate between strength training and cardio days. You may feel this will tire you out, but if you keep mobile during the day, hydrate and nourish your body and change your breathing patterns, you will find that you actually have a lot more energy through the day than before. Try our power lunch concept, using 30 minutes of your lunch break for exercise and 30 minutes for a quick lunch. Or hit the gym after work. Go in for a half-hour workout. Try incorporating a day of high-intensity interval training in your workout week. This means inserting 30 to 60-second intervals of fast-paced, strenuous activity, which pushes your heart rate well into the anaerobic zone, and then returning to 1-minute active rest intervals of comfortable workloads. HIIT can be done in cardio as well as in strength training routines. This keeps the workout time short with maximum afterburn and real results. On days when you just cannot make it to the regular workout schedule, don't miss out. Try the Tabata intervals. Pick any activity you want to do that day, like jogging, and go for 20 seconds straight at maximum effort. Then rest for 10 seconds and go back to repeat this set 7 to 8 times. 4-minute workouts like these can be done easily and anywhere. The key to achieving real results is to push yourself to the maximum limits. Make sure that your power-packed workout is short. Everything from your warm-up to your cool-down must finish within 60 minutes. So now your excuse of, "I don't have the time," it's not going to work, is it? Not when we've given you options ranging from the 4-minute Tabata workout upwards. Whichever workout you choose to do, just make sure it's power-packed and that you keep yourself active through the day, well-hydrated and well-nourished. And I guarantee you, within a few weeks, you're going to be winning compliments, looking and feeling a lot more energetic, even sleeping better.